Welcome to the interior of one of our 700 track machines. We'll start things off by, once you've got it started up, you always want to initiate your class 3 hitch, and this will allow the ISO to run and the steering and guidance to operate. Just looking at the steering wheel, we got, of course, the horn. We've got a nice way for you to control your stereo so you don't have to reach up to the actual unit. Over here we've got a dial we can pull down to adjust the height of the steering wheel. We can push forward to move the steering wheel in and out away from the operator. On the dash panel, it's pretty simple. Got a tach, temperature, and just our gauges that show us what fuel, def, level, battery, mile per hour, what gear we're in, an hour meter. Back up to the B pillar. Kind of tough to see, but we've got the key, and we've got our controls for operation. So set your desired temperature and it'll meet that set point. Up on the top of the roof here, we've got our electric mirrors that we can adjust here. Lighting, windshield. This button here is to turn on the auto steer system if you're using the AGCO brand. This will initiate the link to the top, the AG3000, so in order to use that you'll have to have that on. This, of course, is the radio. It operates just like any normal CD player that you'd have in an aftermarket sense for a car today. When we go down here, we've got the C1000. You operate this with the scroll knob. Push it in and you can look at things anywhere from your hydraulics to your instant and average fuel consumption. And what you'll do is you'll choose one of these. See the top one turn black, and then you can adjust that to any one of these view windows that you want to see up there. So if you wanted to see hydraulics, you can just select hydraulics and then show you those. In that screen, either one, you can hit the key to the right, open it up, and you can adjust your flow rates, your times, and all that in that fashion. Here we've got our gear select. We've got a D10 in the front. Pull up. You'll put it into neutral. Forward for forward. Reverse for reverse. And then these two buttons on the top can change the gear. And the gear can be viewed in your front screen. So I've just changed with the click and it'll change my gear. Here's your 4 buttons for the actuation of your hydraulic controls. You've got 4 remotes on this unit. Here's your 3-point control. Your PTO could be controlled here, and if you have the auto steer from AGCO, it can be controlled here. Here's the hydraulic lockout switch. Here's your throttle. Those are just the basics